I am T. Govindarajan, biology teacher, Kongola Matriculation Science School. Today, we are going to study about the new lesson, reproductive health. First, define reproductive health. Reproductive health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmities in all matter related to the reproductive systems, to its function and process. This is known as the reproductive health. Reproductive health refers to the society with people having physically and functionally normal reproductive organs. Healthy people have the healthier babies and are able to care for their family and contribute more to the society. Hence, health is a community issue. Reproductive system is a complex system controlled by the neuroendocrine system. Neuro means nervous system, endocrine means ductless glands that secrete hormones. Hence, it is important to the necessary steps to protect from the infection, disease, and injury. Need for the reproductive health problems and strategies. India is amongst the first few countries in the world to initiate the family planning program since 1951. Family planning means family planning services as defined as a educational, comprehensive, medical or social activities which enable the individuals, including minors, to determine the freely the number and spacing per their children and to select the means by which there may be achieved. This program are popularly named as the Reproductive and Child Health Care RCH. Major talks for this programs: creating awareness and providing the medical assistance to build the healthier society. Second one is introducing the sex education in schools to provide the information about the adolescence and adolescence related changes. Third one is educating couple in the marriageable age groups and available the birth control measures and family planning norms. Amniocentesis and its statutory ban. Amniocentesis is a medical test in which some liquid is taken from the pregnant woman's womb to find out the baby's particular illness or health problems. Amniocentesis is a technique used to detect any chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus, and it is being misused to determine the sex of the fetus. Once the sex of the fetus is known, as there may be chance for the female feticide. Feticide means aborting the child in the mother's womb. Hence, the statutory ban is amniocentesis imposed. Female feticides means the two aborting the female in the mother's womb. Female infanticides is killing the female child after the birth. This have resulted in imbalance in sex ratio. Imbalance will male means 100, female means 90. This is known as imbalance in the sex ratio. Last topic, prevention of female feticides and infanticides. Government of India has taken various steps like the PCP-NTD. PCP-NTD means Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act 1994, enacted to ban the identifications of sex and to prevent the use of the prenatal diagnostic technique for selecting abortion. POSCO Act prevention the children from the sexual offense, sexual harassments at workplaces, prevention, prohibition, Redress Act, and changes in the criminal law based on the recommendation in Justice Verma Committee. Thank you.